here at the Ark in Winchester for Sound Winchester, which is a collective of community music groups that are coming together to put on a whole day of music.
Hello everyone.
I think it's a really amazing opportunity for all of the people making music in community settings to come together and talk to each other, find out, who's doing what and how we might help each other.
The workshop today was really lovely to show the skills off drum and get people stepping and work on those key skills to get wellness going and community.
Get mad, fury, roar, chase us and bite into our flesh so we know you're alive. Let out your cry and let the whole world know.
Yeah, I think music builds a community like nothing else. You can be of all different backgrounds, all different people are brought together by a love for making music and a celebration of music, and it's today's important because it takes that celebration of the community and puts it out for the rest of the community to come and enjoy.
Well, it's a collaborative exercise, Sound Winchester, with lots of people contributing different forms of music. I think the main focus is well-being and enjoyment. Music for well-being and enjoyment to enrich people's lives.
The strength of what music can do to help you with your mental health, just with focus, with anything essentially, if you're having worries, about anything, music, you come into my studio and within an hour you've left and all those worries have just disappeared,
Mm.